Okay, let's talk about boat building. There's a little tiny boat built for a baby crib. We call it Fun Fridays. There's a skin boat up on the wall that we paddle around. Here's a glued lapstrake pea pod, which was constructed for Dave and Sarah built that as a nesting dinghy for their cruising sailboat. Clifton's Norwegian pram that he built. It's one of those things that we just do. So during the week, we have students working on DC electrical systems, installing gauges, testing different bits of electrical equipment, compression testing motors, and doing pressure vacuum tests. And we're a technical training school. So what is this about boat building? Well, it's actually time now. If you know somebody, we need technicians, and we have a great. It's already going on. It's November, end of November. So in January, in one more month, we open up our applications for scholarships. So if you know somebody who's interested in learning the craft and working in our industry, that would be great. Send them my way. This right here is what we're working on. That is the Guemes Island skiff, we called it, for Matt's mother. We pulled patterns off from that old rotten thing, and we're doing a stitch and glue version of our own. And so come Friday, take a break. Let's teach students who are interested, not part of the curriculum, that we want to encourage this kind of behavior. So I take a break, us instructors as well, and we don't have formal lessons. So we got everybody together and we just work a couple hours here and there and teach some other skills. If you're in our industry, a lot of us can use this and want to have our own boat maybe, and this is going great. So we did the inside fillets, you saw that, lots of epoxy and stiffening all the seams, and woodworking. We do a safety tools and fastenings course, so our students do know how to work around a wood shop well enough. Our electronic students need to be able to mount new equipment into a beautiful curly maple dash or whatever. So knowing your way around a wood shop in our industry is a very good thing. And I was surprised, every year we always have a handful of students that really get into this and want to have fun. So we'll be working on this and have it ready in the spring for sure for launching. But we just wanted to throw a quick little video together, and show you kind of, there's lots of how-tos you can watch on the YouTubes. We're not a how-to channel, but it's a lot of fun. And at the end of the day, there we are. What are we doing? Well, there's always time for a little pint of beer and a pizza, and to tell more boat stories and talk about what are the next boats that we're going to build. We all have that going on, and it's fun to dream in the wintertime and look around and get together with your colleagues and students. So thanks for watching.